the blessing of Lord Jagannath, I got the opportunity to be as a in charge General Secretary of the Odisha state. May Lord Jagannath gives me more strength to raise the voices of the people of the Odisha, to regain the lost glory of the Odisha. I'll be here for another 4 or 5 days to meet MLAs, MPs, former DCC presidents, senior leaders, former PCC presidents, senior leaders and all. And we will have a long plan of how to rewrite the history of the Odisha. We want to rejuvenate the organization. Congress has given a lot to the people of the Odisha in this state. Whether it is an industrialization or in the irrigation subject, today what Odisha and Orient are enjoying, most of them were given by the Congress governments when the Congress was ruling in the Delhi and also in the state. But the last 20 years of BJD's rule, the people was under so much of unemployment problems and so much of in a distress. Farmers are under distress, and whatever the industries Congress government has brought to the Odisha state, today most of the industries were either disinvestment or they are selling to the private sectors. So all these things it is our duty to explain to the people of the Odisha, and we will definitely, I am very confident, we will very soon, we will rejuvenate the organization and we will come back to the power in the Odisha state. There are 2 by-elections are there, yes. I am also going to Titrol and also going to Balasore. On 8th I am going to Titrol and 10th I will be there in Balasore to have a discussion with the party cadres and the senior leaders. We are very confident, and I will tell you very clearly, we are the opposition, real opposition to the ruling establishments, both in the state and central. BJD and BJP, both of them always behind the screen, they have their own understandings. BJD is like a B team of the BJP, and the secular principle and the ideology of the Congress will highlight it to the people of the Odisha. And in the by-election also, we will definitely expose the failures of the state governments. We will sort out the failures of the state government, and definitely we will go to the public and we will try to convince them, and we will try to win both by-elections. Presently PCC president is there.